Alright, thank you so much for joining. My name is Art, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create ads on Facebook for your dealership. So if you don't know how to access this page, I'm going to have a little overlay that is showing you how to do that. And if you don't have an ad account, I'm going to have a little different video showing you how to create one. But once you do access this page right here, you're going to create a new ad campaign. I already have something created here. I'm going to go hit continue, but this is just going to it's already a pre-made ad right here, but I'm going to teach you from the get-go how to do that. So, marketing objective. What is your marketing objective? There are a plethora of different objectives that you choose from. These, the side columns, is something you don't really have to use, and the app install, you don't have to use that either. You're primarily going to focus on these 5 right here. So for this one specifically, we have traffic chosen. So we're gonna drive traffic to your website. So whenever people click on the ad, they're gonna be taken to your website, and from there they can you could have either a conversion system set up, or they can just call you guys up, inquire to your cars, all that fun stuff. All right, next, this is traffic. You can create a split test. In this case, it's called an A/B test, and you can test for different variables, so like ad placement, where people see your ad, the creative, how the ad is going to look like. So if you want to test in different headlines, all that fun stuff, this is where you do that. But for this video, we're going to skip that. Campaign budget optimization is optimizing your budget to spread across different platforms that they're the most effective. So for example, mobile newsfeed most of the time is where the most money goes. So next, that's annoying. Next, you're probably gonna see this only once. This is just your accounts. Shows you where you're targeting. Traffic, you drive traffic to your website, but you can do it to an app, Messenger, WhatsApp. Yeah. Dynamic creative is if you want to upload different app sets, so like images, videos, headlines. It's kind of gonna mix and match to different people, but you don't have to worry about that. You can have an offer that you can create right here. So if you want to do like a discount, whatever, that's how you do it. But we're not going to do that for this video. Next, you can create your own audience. So you choose location. So people living in this location, you want to choose this one. It's going to be on people living or recently in this location. You choose where you're located at. So I choose Portland because I currently live in Portland. You choose the radius, and you want to be within 10 miles, preferably, whatever. Because you want to target the people that are closest to you. Of course, you could have other campaigns that target different areas, but for this video and for your sakes and purposes, I recommend really close. Ages, you wanna target people at least, depending on the cars you have. If you have more of expensive cars, you want to target people who are a little older, who most likely have the money. Yeah, in this case, choose 45 to 65 plus. And again, this isn't just an example. You can choose genders, and these are pretty much the interests that you want to target. So once you get started, it's going to look something like this. And the way it works is whenever a person looks up used car or dealership online, Facebook is automatically gonna, they know what you're looking for. But they're gonna see that you're looking for a used car. That means you're in the market for a car. So they're gonna send you ads like this one that targets those people. So it's gonna show the ads to those people, and here you can choose different different interests, different things people can search for. Stands, And if you have a franchise dealership, or you have a lot of let's say you have a lot of Mercedes cars that you want to advertise, obviously you look for Mercedes and choose the different models that you're advertising. Expand your detail targeting. That is there's a little article here, but I'm not going to go into that. Basically, it targets more people if there's not a lot of response to the audience you're targeting. And you're welcome to leave it on or leave it off, but I just left it on here. Languages, you can target different languages, different connections. If you want to target friends of friends, friends of people who liked you, all that. For this video, for your case, you probably have to. You can choose manual placements if you want to target, let's say, Facebook and audience network. Audience network is outside on different apps, so they're playing a game and it pops up an ad with your ad basically. And you can choose different locations on Facebook too if you want to target. If you don't want the right column or the video feeds, you're welcome to do that. But I'd recommend just leave it on automatic placements. It gets too confusing. Next, this is just budget and schedule. You can bid, do different bids, but it's a video. It's a separate video. How to bid, all that fun stuff. But for now, you can choose either a daily budget. So if you want the ad to be ongoing, you're welcome to do that. Or a lifetime budget, so if you want a specific period. So for example, if you want to running for 2 weeks specifically, you choose that. And the budget, the amount of money that's going to be spent on ads during that time. So our ad is a little past, it's a little old, so we're going to change it to our head. Next, you're welcome to, you don't have to worry about this. Ad scheduling, it's going to be set automatically on this. Run ads all the time. You don't want that. You want to be targeting people when they're most active or when your dealership is open. So if you're open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., you want to be targeting that window. And if you're open all days, accordingly. If you don't work Sunday and Saturday, choose that. But you get the point. So next, you can choose different formats, and you can choose identity if you want to run ads on specific channel, page, whatever. Next format, carousel, single image collection. You don't have to worry about collection. This is primarily for e-commerce stores that have a catalog of different articles of clothing. But you can choose carousel or single image or video. In this case, we have a little something set up. You add a media, image or video. So I already have a little card key, whatever, that's gonna catch people's attention. Alright, give it a second, and there we go. And on the right, it's gonna show you how it's gonna look like. So next, summer sale, spring sale, whatever. You create whatever offer it is, whatever offer you want, and I will get into different components, how to optimize different things, assets of your ad in a different video. So I have something set up here. This is gonna pretty much catch their attention. So the primary text is gonna be the top one. The headline is gonna be right here, the bold text. Description is gonna be the little text underneath, and then you add your URL. And choose a call to action. You don't have to worry about this. It's just still very technical. You choose a call to action if you want to learn more. Choose that. You customize stories here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you have the ad set up, this is pretty much it. You can hit confirm. Enter your enter your payment information, and within an hour or two, it's going to get processed by Facebook. They're going to make sure that your ads, you're running a good ad that doesn't break any Facebook rules, all that. And once you do that, your ad is going to be live, and you're going to start running ads to people on Facebook. But yeah, you get the point. So this is pretty much it. It's very simple. It's pretty straightforward. It's much better than doing Facebook boost post feature on your business page. Don't waste your money on that. Do it this way. Run ads this way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, I'm gonna have a little link included at the bottom. I'm currently building out a little course. I'm gonna have some information about it. Basically, how to run Facebook ads, how to run not only Facebook ads online in general, how to create different campaigns, very complicated things that are going to drive a lot of money to your business. But that's pretty much it for the video. Again, if you're interested in that, click the little link, enter your email, and I'll send you some information on it. Alright, so thanks for watching, appreciate your time. And good luck with running ads. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. My email is artiom at avenixmedia.com, or just leave a comment under the video, whatever. You get the point. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Appreciate your time, and I hope you have a good one.